Got a little Eagle 150. Got everything working. Preamp works. Sideband, high, low. The RF light, everything works on it. It's not a great big swinger, but we got it all working. The strike through was out in it. Got it working. There's a cap blowed. Wouldn't let the radio go straight through it. But there she is. We'll look at it real quick on high power. Alright, on high power, worldwide. Hello, audio. Let me turn it off a minute. There's your straight through. Hello, worldwide. See us all getting through there. Hello. No less WR straight through. Back on. Hello, worldwide. It's high power. See what it does on low. Low power. Hello. It's not a great big swinger, but hey, it works. 100 watts is better than no watts. Get on down. Worldwide. My little eagle box. Doing what it can. Hello. Audio. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, worldwide. Hello, worldwide. Hey, it's all up and working. Hello, come in. 1, 2, 3. Break. There she is. Another one going. Eagle 150 repair review. Alright, folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 1009 Beavis. Catch you later. Bye-bye.